When choosing a van, we must be clear that we need and how much money we have. There are three options: buy it camperized, take it to camp at a specialized company, or camp it yourself little by little. But what does it mean to camp a van? It means fixing the van so you can live inside with basic necessities. For example, a bed, solar panels to supply without limits, a toilet, stationary heating, kitchen and shower. Obviously, the smaller ones, the shower is outside, but you always have the option to shower in a campsite. This leads me to the next point, which is, what are the advantages of traveling by camper? I would tell you infinite, but I will tell you the most important ones. First of all, as I mentioned you at the beginning, freedom, being able to be in contact with nature and is not subject to schedules. Not being tied to any reservation or have any arrival or departure time unless you spend your holidays in a campsite where the surroundings are very touristy. Secondly, you have second homes wherever you go and you can change plans if, for example, the weather is bad. Improvising can sometimes be a lot of fun and adventurous. Adventure is worthwhile. Moreover, you can visit more places in less time. In addition, if you have pets, it's the best way to travel. A good example of this is that you avoid having to look for a hotel where dogs are accepted. And another point, children are the first to want to travel in a house on wheels. But like all things, it also has its disadvantages, although for me they are not. Every 3 or 4 days, you will have to fill clean water and empty the dirty water. If you want to be comfortable in your camper van, you will have to clean. Furthermore, the space is reduced. If you are a person who likes to spend a lot of time indoors, this way of traveling can be a problem. Camper vans are for people who like to get to know places and spend time away from home. Small vans do not have a shower inside, and you will have to shower outside, in public spaces or in a campsite. And if in addition, unfortunately, it rains, it can be annoying. And finally, as it's a house on wheels and engine, you have to bear in mind that you may have breakdowns, and this can complicate your journey. And it's for this reason that before leaving to travel, it's necessary to make a tuning of your camper.